Hey, good morning, everyone. It is 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday, October 11th, Forex Rezio. Just making a quick live video here, kind of preemptively on the futures market. So we are looking at the NASDAQ futures 15-minute chart. So this morning we had some important news. We had U.S. CPI and PPI, which is the producer version of the CPI. It's basically the manufacturing inflation number, and both of them came in higher than expected, which is certainly good for the U.S. dollar, if you're a Forex trader, and it also should generally be good for the stock market too. So those numbers came in higher than expected, which means inflation is still an issue, which is not a surprise. But going back to the charts here, so here's the NASDAQ on the 15-minute, and here is the S&P on the 10-minute chart. And you can see the market just opened 2 minutes ago, so I'm certainly not trading anything right now, but I'll keep an eye on this. And, per the last couple of videos I've made, this is kind of the range I've kind of marked out. It's a little bit of a big range, but it's okay. And basically, this is the swing high from yesterday, the afternoon session. And then, of course, this is the low that was marked off overnight. So this is the range I'm looking at, and basically I'm just going to see what this does today. If it does anything, again, we could have a day where it just ranges inside of here, and that's fine too. I just won't trade it. I don't do the scalping thing in between the ranges. I'm looking for breakouts and trends. So, but, if you're a scalper, you certainly could, like I said, scalp this on a 1 or a 5 minute time frame in between the ranges. But again, that's just not something I do. So I just wanted to make this video just to, because I know I made a couple in hindsight. So, but I figured I would do one kind of as things are happening. So I'm looking at the NASDAQ right here, and you can see it's right up against the top of the range. So we'll see what happens. If it does break out, then, I'm going to be looking for making sure it's not a fake out where it pops up and then, quickly reverses down. So I probably will go to a little bit shorter time frame if this does close above. You can see it's struggling at these highs, but, again, it's early, and I don't generally trade any of these before, 10 o'clock. I usually let the first half hour go. But it is a major news day, so, it is potential that you get a trend setting up a little bit sooner than that 10 o'clock, hour or so. But anyways, that's the setup. Here's the ranges again. We've seen this the last few trading days, Monday, Tuesday, today. And, we'll see what happens as we go forward this morning. All right. So that's it. Maybe I'll post another one later if we do get a trade, and we'll see what happens. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you soon.